on, dance with me.
Dance.
Come on, dance with me. Come on, dance with me.
Now we move on to the third song called Rain on Me. This song has such a positive message, which is just dancing to the rain and accepting whatever challenges life can bring you. So I am so excited to teach this dance that I made for everyone. And we start off with some lunges. If we remember from our warm-up exercises, some lunges, we start with the left foot lunges and with some fist that goes like this. There are some variations that I did with the actual dance routine, but I'm going to just show you the simplest one that you can follow, and you could just play creatively with whatever which will be shown in the actual dance. But I'm going to show you the most basic steps here. So that fist should go with some lunges 4 times, or 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's one set. The next step is first walking to the left with your left foot, and then your right foot, and then some steps after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do that movement to your left twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the footwork. We're gonna put some hand movements with that. So while walking to your left or right, it's just gonna be your hands down, but once you do these movement, so it's gonna have some dance movement as well. So you could do that without the hand movement or with the hand movements or arm movements. So the arm movements should look like this. 1, 2, walk, walk, front, side. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. So then that's one set. So you do that twice for a total of 2 sets. So I'm gonna show you how it should look like from what I showed you so far with some countings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, front, side. 1, 2, 3, front, side. So let's do that with some music.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery. It's coming down on me.
Perfect. So we go with the pre-chorus. So it's gonna look like this one. So you put your hands like this, and one should go up, more upwards, and one should be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would look like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's one set, and then with some footwork in it. So it should look like this. 1, 2. Remember the back foot or back point from the cut to the filling one. So we do that here with some variations with it. So it should look like this. 1, 2, point, 3, point, and then more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next step would be you pull up your foot, right foot first, and then left, and then right and left. That's one set, so you do that twice for the first whole set together with that one, and then for the second it should just be one. So what I'm trying to say is it should look like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 counts for the first one, and then you repeat it again, and it should be 4 steps only. So there's some variations as well with the hand movement and arm movement in the actual dance, but I'm just showing the basic one without any arm movement for that one. So it should look like this. 1 point, 3, 4, again, 1 point, point, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one set. We do for the next step, for next set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, you just do 4 steps here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's that. And then we're going to dance with the lyrics "Rain on Me," which should look like this one. Rain on me. Then you tilt your head up on me. So it should look like this again. Rain on me. So it should look like that. And I'm gonna show you how it should be with some music.
I'm ready, rain on me. Drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'm ready, drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
The last step that we had was the one that looks like this. So you're going to hop with the same position, but you're going to do that 8 times or 8 hops. So it should look like this one. With the me, you rain on me. So you start with the first hop with the me, and you're going to do that 7 times more for a total of 8 times. So it should look like this. Rain on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you did it 8 times, and then you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to show you the basic one. So there's some variation in the actual dance video, but we should stick with this one so that we can follow easily. So again, 8 hops, and then you hop by side. So with some knee bending or bending your knees. So it should look like this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the actual dance video, there's some hand movements that looks like this. So I can teach you that, but you could also not do that. It depends on you, on what you think would be easy to follow. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is with the knee bending, hopping on the left and the right side. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next step would be some wiggling and some raising your hands up. So it should look like this. Up, wiggle, wiggle. Again. Up, wiggle, wiggle, up, wiggle, wiggle, up, wiggle, wiggle, up, wiggle, wiggle. So you see that I did that 4 times because you're going to do that 4 times. So I'm going to start from the chorus and up to that wiggling dance step. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wiggle, wiggle up, wiggle, wiggle up, wiggle, wiggle up. Last, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, so that's the chorus. So I'm going to show you now how it is with some music.
Rain, rain, I'd rather be drunk, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
As opposed to the previous dance that we did, so for this song, its second refrain would have a slightly different dance step. So it should start with this one. So you put your right foot forward, and then you change it with the left, and then right, and then the left, and then we're just gonna do something about something different afterwards. So you do that twice. So one set has like 4 steps forward. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one set. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do that 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, there's some variations in the video, but we're sticking with the basic ones. And then after that 8 count, we do this one, which should look like this. You start with your footwork. 1, 2, open, close, open legs, close, open, close. So we're just gonna do that with some hand movements, which should look like this. 1. So you're right, and move your hands on the front, and then up to your head. Front, head, front, head, front, head. So you do that 4 times, which should look like this. 1, 2, head, 3, and 4. And then you go back to, again, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, head, 2, 3, 4. Then, if you remember from the first refrain, we're going to move or step here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, side. You know this one. Right, left, front, side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and blah, 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 blah. So it should look like that. And then we continue with that one, going to the chorus. I'm going to show you how it's going to be like from the second refrain, the whole second refrain with some music. So now we go to the bridge part, which should look like this. So if you remember from Cut to the Filling, the cross shoulder, so we're gonna do some variation of that as well. So it should look like this. So you put your hands up with your knee bending to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, shoulder, down, but no down of that. So you're just gonna put your hands down, but no bending down. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a counting. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go like this again for 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we go with the rain on, and you know how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go back to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you you remember from the second refrain, we go here. So after chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another set, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rain on me. And that's it. Now we go with the actual music accompanying that dance from this bridge going to the chorus and the after chorus.
Hands up to the sky, I'll be your galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami. Hands up to the sky, I'll be your galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me.
Drink some water.